Hello everyone! Today I have sunshine alarm for your bedroom. It's a perfect purchase for adults and kids. It has 12 different sounds. It has different variation of lighting. Also it comes with a remote control. You can easily turn on or off to the different variation of mood sounds. It looks adorable and amazing. It has a beautiful pictures inside which are lighting in different lights. It's a perfect purchase as a gift for your friends and family. It's perfect for babies, for children, for adults and older people. It comes with beautiful box. I think you will like it and I'm highly recommend this.